Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm super excited to show off my zombie Halloween party invitation that's available in my Zazzle shop. The link to all of these invitations, they're in a few different colors, is down in the description box below, but let's dive on in. First, let's talk about the colors. We have this invitation in, like I said, 5 pre-filled colors: red, green, purple, yellow, and blue. But what is great about this invitation is it can be personalized to your liking. So if you want it to be orange, you can do that. And I'll show you how in this video. Let's start with personalizing the design. Click on the big blue Personalize This Design button located on the right hand side of your screen. Now, if you found a color that you already like, just select that color first. But then what you want to do is on the left-hand side of your screen, remove the pre-filled text and replace it with your own. Once you are finished personalizing your design, to further customize it, click on the big Personalize or Customize with Design Editor button located underneath that invitation preview. And this is where you can change the color of all of the background design, the fonts, the font sizes, styles, etc. So, like I said, we're going to do it orange this time. We're going to click on the word background over on the far left-hand side. And then we can use the pre-filled selected orange if we want to. If we want it to be a little bit different, maybe a little bit darker, we can click on the plus sign and move around to the color that we want. I kind of want it to be this color, but maybe like there. Perfect. Okay. So now we did that. We want to make sure the rest of the invitation matches, like, so this blue Halloween party, we want it to be orange too. So I'm going to click on Halloween party. Then I'm going to click on color on the right hand side, and I can use the most recently used colors down below the pre-filled colors. And that's going to match my orange from the Halloween party to the eyes. The moon does change a little bit because of some shadows and some highlights that I have designed into it. So you don't have to worry about making that really cute design. Once you are finished editing your design and you have everything you want as it is, click on the green Done button at the top right hand side of your screen. That's going to take you back to this personalized page. Now you're going to want to select the options at the top in the middle of the menu to go to select what kind of invitation you want. Do you want it printed? Do you want it digital? Or do you want both? Select which option you want. If you choose printed, you can now change the corner types to be square, rounded, or any of the other options. You can also change the paper type. Next, you'll want to click on Review at the top in that menu right next to Options to review everything for accuracy. So your names, your dates, your addresses, etc. Make sure those are correct. Then once you've done that, select the quantity from the down drop button at the bottom of that right-hand side to select how many invitations you need. Then click the yellow Add to Cart button. A pop-up will appear showing that the item was added to your cart, and from here you can begin the checkout process by clicking on View Cart and Checkout. I hope that this tutorial helped with editing your invitations with me. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I will get back to you right away. In the meantime, if you wouldn't mind taking a quick second of your time to liking this video or subscribing to my channel, I would truly appreciate it. And as always, I hope you have a fantastic day.